Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am excited to present to you a detailed 3D walkthrough of a project that will transform your outdoor space and keep your firewood organized, a 2x10 firewood shed with a lean-to roof. This firewood shed is designed to be both functional and stylish, fitting perfectly in your backyard or alongside your house. The lean-to roof design not only provides effective water runoff but also adds a modern touch to the structure. With a depth of 2 feet and a length of 10 feet, this shed offers ample storage space while maintaining a compact form. The sturdy frame ensures that your firewood stays dry and protected from the elements. This structure can store up to 3/4 cords of firewood. Alright, guys, let's break this down. This firewood shed has an open front, making it super easy to access and stack your wood. No fussing around with doors or anything like that. Now, check out the sides. We've got slats here with spaced boards. This design isn't just for looks, it's all about function. The gaps between the boards let air flow through, which is crucial for drying out the firewood and preventing moisture buildup. So, just like in chess, where every move has a purpose, every element of this shed is designed for efficiency and practicality. It's a well-thought-out strategy for keeping your firewood in top condition. The frame is constructed using pressure-treated lumber, ensuring durability and resistance to rot. The supports are strategically placed to provide maximum stability, making this shed a reliable addition to your outdoor setup. The lean-to roof design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. The slope allows rain and snow to slide off easily, preventing any water accumulation and keeping your firewood dry. For the floor joists, we're using sturdy 2x6 lumber. This is crucial because it needs to support the hefty weight of all that firewood. Trust me, these joists will keep your shed solid and stable for years to come. Alright, let's talk about the 2x4 uprights. These are going to hold up the top beams and form the backbone of our shed. They also create the perfect frame for attaching the side and back wall slats, keeping everything nice and sturdy. Plus, we're using lag screws to secure them to the floor frame, so you know they aren't going anywhere. We use rafter ties to securely connect the rafters to the top plate, ensuring a strong and stable roof structure that can withstand various weather conditions. Connectors are essential for reinforcing the joints and providing additional support, making sure that all parts of the shed are tightly bound together. By using both rafter ties and connectors, we create a robust and durable framework that guarantees the longevity and reliability of your firewood shed. Now, let's talk about the roof. We're using metal roofing sheets, which are a fantastic choice because they're super durable and long-lasting. They also provide excellent protection against the elements, keeping your firewood dry and safe. Plus, they're easy to install and look great too. To finish things off, we'll paint the shed to add a layer of protection against the weather and give it a polished look. A good coat of paint will help extend the life of the wood and make your shed look sharp in your backyard. For a comprehensive guide to building this firewood shed, including detailed dimensions and complete cut and shopping lists, visit myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.